So good morning students. Today again we are starting from question number 3 of 15 exercise 4.1 class 10 advanced mathematics. Okay. So look at the question. This is the equation we are to solve. Okay. So to make the question simple, I have put the values of x square minus 3x as what? X square minus 3x equal to a. Okay. To make the equation simple, we are considering the value of x square minus 3x as what? A. So the equation becomes a means a square minus 5a plus 6 equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation after putting the value of x square minus 3x as a. So we have to solve this equation through middle term factorization. From 6 we have to got 5. So to get 5 from 6 we can write 6 equal to 6 into 1 and 6 minus 1 it will give what? 5. So a square minus 6 minus 1 into a plus 6 equal to 0. It can be written as a square minus 6a. Sorry, this can be written as 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2, that is 6 can also be written as 3 into 2 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay. In few times you will get different factors and you have to choose which factor will satisfy the conditions. Okay. So now I am writing here a square minus 3a, it will be minus 2a plus 6 equal to 0. So this will be a into a minus 3 and minus 2 into a minus 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now this can be written as a minus 3 into a minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 3, or I am writing by skipping one line, a equal to 2. Okay. Now we are to put the value of a as x square minus 3x. Okay. Now I am putting implies x square minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this cannot be done through the middle term factorization. So if any equation is not able to solve by factorization, then we have to run through the formula of quadratic equation. To solve this type of equations, we have to use what? Formula for quadratic equation. Okay. So here this will be x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0, and this can easily be done through middle term factorization. That is, from 2 we have to got 3. So 2 can be written as 2 equal to 2 into 1 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So here I am writing x square minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0, and this will be x square minus 2x minus x this can also not be done through middle term factorization. Okay, we have to proceed through the quadratic formula. So now I am removing this to solve these two equations in quadratic formula. So I am writing from this equation, therefore x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and this can be written as minus b here is minus 3 plus minus root over b square is minus 3 square, that is 9, minus 4ab, 4 into 1 into minus 3, that is 12, divided by 2a here is 2, that is 3 plus minus root 21 by 2. This is the solution of our first equation, that is x equal to this one, and through this we have to consider x equal to minus b, that is minus 3 plus minus root over b square is 3 square is 9 plus 4ab, that is 4 to the 8 divided by 2a is 2, that is 3 plus minus root 17 by 2. Okay, so this is our targeted result, 3 plus minus root 21 by 2 and 3 plus minus root 17 by 2 by solving the two equations in what quadratic formula. Thank you.